In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size letter in Excel. If your spreadsheets are printing too large, getting cut off, or not matching the standard paper used in many offices in the United States and Canada, setting the page size to letter is a quick fix. Letter paper measures 8.5 by 11 inches, and choosing it in Excel helps ensure your layout, margins, and printouts line up exactly as expected. Start by opening the workbook you want to print. Look toward the top of Excel for the ribbon, which is the row of tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. Switch to the Page Layout tab. This tab gathers all the print-related controls in one place so you can see how your sheet will look on paper while you work. If your Excel window is narrow, some options might be grouped or shown as icons. Expanding your window or keeping an eye on the Page Setup group will help you find what you need. Inside the Page Layout tab, find the Size button in the Page Setup group. Click Size to open the list of available paper dimensions. You'll see several common choices, such as A4, Legal, and more. From this menu, click Letter. The moment you select Letter, Excel updates the sheet's page setup to that paper size. This doesn't change your data. It simply tells Excel how to format the page boundaries so your content fits the 8.5 by 11 inch canvas when you print or export to PDF. After setting letter, it's a good time to glance at your sheet's layout. Column widths, row heights, and page breaks may shift slightly to match the new paper size. If you notice that content barely spills onto a second page, consider minor adjustments like narrowing a wide column, wrapping text in long headers, or tweaking margins and scaling later in the page layout area. Those options aren't required right now, but they can help you polish the print result if you need to fit everything neatly on one page. Remember that page size is saved with each worksheet. If your workbook has multiple sheets and you want all of them on letter paper, repeat the same selection on each sheet. Also keep in mind that printers follow what Excel sends. If Excel is set to letter, but your printer tray has different paper, the device may prompt you or scale automatically, which can change the final look. That's all there is to it. By going to Page Layout, choosing Size, and selecting Letter, you ensure your Excel sheet is ready for standard letter printing with clean, predictable results.